Have you noticed the recent price correction in Bitcoin? Wondering what the upcoming halving event might mean for the cryptocurrency market? Bitcoin, the titan of the crypto world, has recently experienced a price correction that took it below the $70,000 mark. While this dip has certainly caught the attention of market watchers, it's not the only event stirring up interest in the crypto community. The Bitcoin network is gearing up for a significant event known as halving. In essence, this halving event is a protocol inscribed in Bitcoin's code that reduces the reward for mining new blocks by 50%. This programmed scarcity is a key feature of Bitcoin's design, making it a deflationary asset. The combination of the recent price correction and the upcoming halving has sparked a surge of interest from new investors who are keen to get a piece of the Bitcoin pie. So, with the recent dip and the halving event on the horizon, the Bitcoin market is certainly in a very interesting place. Now, let's delve into what's driving this increased demand from new investors. The first factor that's contributing to this surge in interest is quite simply the shift in the balance of accumulation, addresses versus miner supply. It's a bit of a mouthful, but stay with me. Accumulation addresses are essentially digital wallets where Bitcoin is held and not spent, indicating that the owner believes the value of Bitcoin will rise in the future. When the balance of these addresses starts to outgrow miner supply, it's a strong sign that a bullish trend is on the horizon. And that's exactly what we're seeing now. But there's more to it than just that. Another factor is the upcoming halving event. Now, if you're not familiar with what a halving event is, it's basically when the reward for mining new blocks is halved, hence the name. So miners will get fewer Bitcoins for their work. This event is pre-programmed into Bitcoin's DNA and occurs approximately every 4 years. It's a big deal because it effectively reduces the supply of new Bitcoins coming into the market, which can lead to an increase in price if demand remains steady or increases. And this brings us to yet another factor, the recent price dip. While it might seem counterintuitive, this dip has actually served to increase demand rather than dampen it. Why? Because many investors see this as a buying opportunity, a chance to get in on the action while prices are low, with the expectation that they will rise again in the future. Lastly, let's not forget the confidence shown by long-term holders. Despite short-term bearish indicators, these investors are holding on to their assets, indicating a strong belief in Bitcoin's future growth. This, in turn, helps to bolster demand, as new investors are often influenced by the actions of more experienced ones. Clearly, there are several key factors at play here, driving new investors towards Bitcoin. Let's recap on what we've discussed today. We've taken a deep dive into the state of Bitcoin, observing its recent price correction and the upcoming halving event that's causing quite a stir in the crypto community. Firstly, we've seen that Bitcoin has recently experienced a price correction, dipping below $70,000. However, this hasn't deterred new investors. In fact, it's quite the opposite. The interest in Bitcoin has surged, marking a historical milestone in its journey. This increased demand is largely attributed to the upcoming halving event. For those who might be new to the term, a halving event is when the rewards for mining Bitcoin get halved, effectively reducing the supply of new coins. This event, which is baked into Bitcoin's code, happens approximately every 4 years and is a significant driver of its price. Now, while the short-term indicators may seem bearish, it's important to note that long-term holders are not letting go of their assets. This behavior is a strong signal of confidence in Bitcoin's future growth. It's a testament to the belief that despite temporary dips and fluctuations, Bitcoin's value will continue to rise in the long run. As we've seen, the Bitcoin market is in an exciting phase, with the upcoming halving event and the shift in the balance of accumulation addresses versus miner supply. These factors are stirring up the crypto community and have the potential to trigger a bull rally in the coming months. In conclusion, while the crypto market is known for its volatility, the long-term perspective for Bitcoin remains promising. It's a wild ride, but for those who can weather the storm, the potential rewards could be significant. As we've seen, the Bitcoin market is in an exciting phase, and it will be interesting to see how these factors play out in the coming months. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of cryptocurrencies.